Starting in 2009, Minecraft started capturing the imaginations of millions worldwide. Created by Marcus Persson and developed by Mojang, Minecraft's sandbox gameplay had quickly become a cultural phenomenon. Recognizing the potential synergy between its brand and Minecraft's creative universe, LEGO began discussions with Mojang. The goal? To bring the immersive world of Minecraft into the physical realm. Following discussions, in December 2011, Mojang Studios started a project on the LEGO Ideas program. With the strong support of the Minecraft community, the required 10,000 signature objective was achieved in under 3 days, and the development of the very first LEGO Minecraft set commenced after LEGO reviewed the project. While development started earlier, it wasn't until June 2012 that LEGO officially announced their partnership with Mojang. Then it happened. The first LEGO Minecraft set released on June 1st, 2012. The earliest sets released were much different than the ones we have today, being built in a micro scale. Micro World The Forest was the first of these. The second and third sets, The Village and Nether, were released in September 2013, while the fourth set, The End, was released almost a year later in June 2014. While we've only seen micro scale models released from the license so far, we finally received minifigure scale sets in November 2014. These early sets, such as the farm, the cave, and the first night, were designed to replicate iconic Minecraft elements. The farm featured different crops and various building elements, while the cave included ores, mobs, and hidden treasures. Each set came with detailed instruction manuals, but true to Minecraft's spirit, they also encouraged builders to think outside the box with multiple build options. As Minecraft itself evolved, so did LEGO Minecraft. The product line expanded to include sets based on new game updates and features. The introduction of sets like the Nether Bastion and the Deep Dark Battle allowed fans to explore new dimensions within Minecraft. These expansions often included detailed environments like the fiery landscape of the Nether, the cold dark depths of the seas, and the terrifying dragon-filled end, along with new mobs and interactive elements. Today, LEGO Minecraft continues to thrive. The product line regularly introduces new sets, reflecting updates from the Minecraft game and expanding the possibilities for builders. The sets gained popularity quickly, and enthusiasts began creating more intricately detailed creations they shared with the world. From lush biomes to detailed dungeons, LEGO Minecraft remains a testament to the enduring appeal of creative play. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of LEGO Minecraft's early history. If you enjoyed this deep dive, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep building and stay crazy.